Is the iPad 11 A16 is still worth buying in 2026? So in this video, I will answer this question. Now the iPad 11 A16 has an IPS LCD liquid retina display with uniform bezels all around the screen. Now some might say that the bezels are a bit chunky, but I think that the bezels are slim enough so you can hold the iPad comfortably without worrying about accidental touches. Now the sides and the back of this iPad are built from aluminum. At the back of the iPad, you will find the main 12 megapixel camera, which is coupled with a 12 megapixel selfie camera. Now, the cameras of this iPad are not only good enough for video calls and document scanning, but you can also capture good photos if you want to. At the bottom of this iPad, you will find the USB Type-C charging port, which supports USB 2.0 speeds, and powering this iPad is the A16 Bionic chip from Apple, which handles your everyday tasks effortlessly. But should you buy this iPad in 2026? I think that if you can wait for the 12th gen iPad, it will be a much better buy, because the next gen iPad will most likely get at least the Apple A17 Pro chip or later, which will not only support Apple Intelligence, but it will also support AAA PC games like Resident Evil, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed natively. However, if you need an iPad right now for note taking, watching Netflix, using social media, or playing mobile games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, or Angry Birds, the iPad 11 A16 is still a fantastic choice. And if you can grab it on a discount, it will be an absolute steal. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.